Welcome to Strasbourg, one of the oldest and most famous Christmas markets in Europe. Coined as France's capital of Christmas, this magical city lights up with holiday cheer as it has done since the mid-1500s. Last holiday season, my best friend and I visited 5 incredible Christmas markets, and I am sharing all of them with you. Settle in for a tour of this enchanting first stop, which is Strasbourg. With every step from the train station towards the center of town, you will feel the holiday magic start to snowball as each street is lined with a twinkling display of beautiful lights. Their magnificent Cathédrale Notre-Dame-de-Strasbourg hosts a bustling marketplace, complete with a festive merry-go-round, the sound of crackling roasted nuts on an open-air fire, and cinnamon spice apple cider fill the air. It is truly a magical place for all of the senses. The city is adorned with 300 stalls, each one unique in its offerings. From one-of-a-kind handcrafted gifts to the piping hot mulled wine, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Throughout the year, this cathedral is one to marvel at, from its stunning Gothic architecture to its spire that is more than 460 feet tall. If you have time, you can do a tour of the inside of the cathedral, which I've heard is incredible. I mean, how could it not be? Look at it. Strasbourg is the capital of Alsace, which is a gorgeous region in France. If you haven't visited before, all of the towns here truly feel like they're out of a fairy tale, from their gorgeous architecture to the stunning cathedrals that they boast. Take your time exploring the city, as each nook and cranny provides its own holiday feel, markets, and gorgeous display of lights. Strasbourg's iconic half-timbered houses become even more legendary during the holidays, as they are decked out with stuffed teddies, ornaments, and hundreds of dazzling lights. It's one of the most famous parts of Strasbourg, and the streets here will be very crowded. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Gabriella, and my best friend and I have been traveling throughout Europe and the UK for the past 3 years after quitting our full-time jobs. It is an honor to share some of our favorite places, travel tips, tricks, and laughs with you, all while helping you plan the best trip abroad too. This year, be on the lookout as we plan to hop through Germany, Hungary, and Austria to see some of the most iconic Christmas markets in Europe. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun and informative videos coming your way. In addition to the stalls, there are Christmas stores that sell traditional desserts, ornaments, festive decorations, and more. You can definitely spend a good chunk of time in here. One of the most magical spectacles not to miss is the 30-meter, 98-foot tall Christmas tree. Having lived in New York City for years, and Christmas being forever my favorite holiday, I can proudly say that the magic and magnitude of this tree absolutely rivals, if not beats, the iconic Rockefeller Center. Seeing its sheer size and dazzling display of lights against the picturesque architecture just instantly connects you with your inner child, leaving you oohing and awing at every single twinkling light. Truly, I felt like Cindy Lou Who from The Grinch, gazing up at this massive tree above me. Throughout the night, the tree will put on a little show with changing music and lights, and it is so fun. You can stay and catch a glimpse of this. If you're visiting any European Christmas market this season, be sure to remember to bring some euros with you, as many stalls don't accept card payments or have a minimum spend. Strasbourg's Christmas market is open to everyone. It's free to enter, and the dates change every year. This year, in 2024, the dates are from November 27th to December 27th. If you're coming from Paris, you can take a train that takes about an hour and 45 minutes into Strasbourg, making it perfect for a day trip or a weekend getaway. Be sure to stay past sunset though, because you will want to see the town truly come to life when all of the lights go on. I hope seeing Strasbourg all lit up for the holidays make you excited for the season ahead. Stay tuned for the next European Christmas market video coming your way. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoy it. See you soon!